Hi everybody, welcome to J&S Farms, and I am giving you your weekly update on the broilers. And this is week 5, and as you can see, they have grown considerably yet again. Their heads are fully feathered now, and they are just little eating machines and growing machines, as you can see. They've had feed all morning, but this is just how they eat. They just eat and eat and eat. So I'm going to have to refill the feeders yet again. And when I say refill the feeders, all I do is I put another 3-quart scoop of feed into the things. I don't fill them all the way to the top, but I put another 3-quart scoop into the feeders. I have not gotten the big waterer out yet, so that's why those two are still in there. I do have a 5-gallon waterer. I just haven't got it out and got it cleaned yet. I've been busy. I will go ahead and get that out soon because I'm tired of coming out and filling these things up a lot. They do drink a lot of water and they do eat a lot of feed. I keep feed in front of them all the time, at all times. And I think that helps them grow better if they have the feed in front of them all the time. I do have this small pen set up for them right now, and I'm going to keep them in that for about a week. These birds are not as smart as most birds, and they have to be trained to go back into their house at night. They've been out for about, this is their 3rd day out, and I've got it to where half of them go back in at night, so I still have to put half of them, scoot them back in the house at night. So once they all start going in there at night and have that kind of routine down pat, I will take up this little fence and they will have the run of the yard wherever they want to go. They can have green grass. They can, wherever their feeders sit, they'll have a shade tree to sit underneath and things like that. So anyway, these are the broilers. Okay, so sorry about that, guys. My camera battery died right as I was getting to the end, but anyway, so these are the broilers, and they are growing quite a bit. Next week I'll try to weigh one for you and see, or weigh a couple of them for you and see how that goes. But anyway, so yeah, they're getting bigger. You guys have a good day. Take care. Bye.